Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.